The fuck you talking about? You can't break me because you didn't make me. You understand? Huh?
It's fucked everything up for everybody. Everything is all fucked up. What's that? Y'all got them speakers in here. Who is that? Put us in this situation any goddamn way. Motherfucker. Fucked everything up for everybody, you know? It's just all fucked up. Fuck you expect us to do now? Motherfucker. I'm scared. Shut up. Shut the fuck up, you little skinny motherfucker. Your father used to beat your little stuttering ass. Don't make me jump over there on you. So you shut up. Just shut the fuck up talking to me. Fuck you talking to? You ain't telling me what to say. I'm running shit around here. Fuck is wrong? Ain't nobody running shit. I'm running shit. Shut the fuck up. What you say? No. What are we gonna do now? Huh? I know it. Shit, ain't nobody touching me. Goddamn soul touching me. Put your hands on me. Not twice. You put your fucking hands on me. I just... Shut up! You want to just hurt somebody. Feel like I want to kill somebody. Except there ain't nobody in here to kill. Except you, boy. How about it, Rue? Away from me. God.